Most people believe that working hard and getting a stable job is the key to a successful life. They wake up early, go to office, come back tired, and repeat the same routine every day. But after many years, they realize something is wrong. They are still struggling. They are still worried about bills, rent, and expenses. This is not because they are lazy, but because they are stuck in a financial system that is designed to keep them busy, not wealthy. The middle class depends mainly on salary. Every month, money comes in, and within days, it disappears. Rent, groceries, school fees, electricity, fuel, internet, and small lifestyle expenses slowly eat everything. But there is no time to think about growth because survival becomes the main focus. When all energy goes into paying bills, there is nothing left to build wealth. People start comparing themselves with others and feel they are behind. This creates stress, not happiness. Credit cards and loans make this trap even deeper. When money is short, people borrow. One loan is used to pay another. Interest grows quietly, and before they realize, they are working for the bank, not for themselves. Debt steals freedom, peace, and future opportunities. Years pass quickly. While they are busy earning, they are not learning. And when skills don't grow, income doesn't grow either. The biggest problem is not money, it is mindset. Schools teach how to get a job, not how to build wealth. Nobody teaches how money works, how investments grow, or how assets create income. So people stay trapped because they don't see another way. But the moment awareness begins, everything can change. When someone starts learning about saving, investing, side income, and financial planning, their direction changes. They stop chasing things and start building systems. They stop spending for show and start investing for growth. Freedom does not come from a higher salary, it comes from better decisions. And when you control it, you stop being a slave to it. That is when the middle class trap breaks and a new financial life begins.